and today we will discuss about the another operator in Python, which is the bitwise operator. Now, bitwise operator, we have the many types of. Now you can see this is a AND or complement, left shift and right shift and XOR. So, so all the bitwise operators in this lecture we will cover. So without any further delay, so now it's time to intro. Now you can see this is my definition of the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator are used to compare binary numbers. That's it. And we have number suppose 5, and what is the binary of 5? So 101 is a binary of 5. Okay, and so what is the binary of 4? And 100, because how works the bitwise operator, then now you need to be your command in the binary, how to convert in the decimal to binary, how to binary to decimal convert. So these are the basic fundamental, and when you not understand, then firstly you will watch the video and how is it works, and then after that you will continue this video. Today we will discuss the first AND operator. Now how is it works? Now you can see this is my OR and 8 gate truth table. Now this is my OR operator. Now suppose we have the two variables A and B, and A and B, and here now you can see the A or B. Now when I use the 0, then after that when I use the 0, when both are the 0, then it returns the 0, and when A 0 and B 1, then it returns the 0. When A 1 and B 0, then returns the 0. When both are the true, then A and B is the 1, and it is called the A and B gate. Okay, now AND gate. Now when I use the 0 and 0, now OR gate returns the 0, and 0 and 1, OR gate returns the 1. A and 0, OR gate returns the 1. A and 1, and OR gate returns the 1. That means when the both are the input are 0, and then it returns the 0. Okay, now we have the few examples. Now you can see, and now when 5 and 4 are using, when I use the 5 and 4, that means now what is the binary of 5? 101. And what is the binary of 4? 100. And when I now you can see 1 and 0 is 0. Now you can see 0, and 1, 0 and 0 and 0, and 1 and 1 and 1. Now you can see this is a binary of the 4. Now so that's why 5 and 4 is equals to the 4. And on the other hand, you can see 5 or 4. And what is the binary of 5? 101. And what is the binary of 4? 100. Then 0 and 1 is the 1, and 0 and 0, 0, and 1 and 1. Now you can see this is the binary of 5. Now it's very simple, and so it's time to go on the VS Code and write the some example for the bitwise OR and bitwise AND. Now here, there we go. You can see now A is equals to suppose 5 and B is equals to the 4. And when you want to, now when you want to print the value of A and B, and so what would be the answer? So now you can see, click on the run button. Now there we go. You can see. So my answer is the 4. Now when I use the OR operator or bitwise operator, then you can see now it returns the 5. Okay, I think you understand with it. Now it's a very simple. Suppose I'll change the value. Now what is the value of 10? 10 and 4, 5, and when I use that, now you can see, now when I run it, and now you can see 0 and 4. Now I'll show you, because now what is the binary of 10? 1010. Now what is the binary of 5? 0 1 0 1, 0 and 0. And now what is the now you can see 1 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 0 0 0 0. So when you use the AND operator, and then it returns the that type of a binary, and it is the binary of 0. Now when you use the OR operator, now 1 and 0, then 1, and 0 and 1 1, 0 and 1 and 1. Now it returns the 15. You can see, and this is a my binary system. Okay. Now guys, we moving ahead and talking about the next operator, and that is the complement operator. Now you can see, now complement operator, you can see, now suppose we have the A variable and 24, and when I use the B is equals to the complement A, that means it returns the minus 25. And when you use the B is equals to minus A plus 1, okay, so then it returns the minus 25, because this line is equals to the that. Okay, now we will show you the demo and how it works. Now you can see. Now print A, and when I use the complement, then you can see, and when I click on the run button, now you can see this is the returns the -11 because it returns the minus A plus 1. Okay, and now when you want to you when you want to now when you want to get the minus value of that A variable, then it's very simple. And when you use the plus 1, and then now you can see, and it returns the minus A. Now suppose anyone told you, and please write the without negation and negation and how to convert the positive to negative value, then it's very simple, and you can use this technique, and now you can print the minus value without using the plus operator. Sorry for that, minus operator. Okay, now this is enough for the day, and thank you so much guys, and we will meet in the next video.